The 59th ASEAN Foreign Ministers Meeting and related meetings officially opened today in Manila, the Philippines. The conference serves as an opportunity for ASEAN foreign ministers and their partners to discuss and chart the region's future in the face of emerging security and diplomatic challenges, both global and regional. Reported by Hữu Hưng from Manila.
Delivering the opening remarks, Philippine Foreign Secretary Teresa Lazaro noted that ASEAN is facing an increasingly volatile, uncertain, and unpredictable international environment. Therefore, regional cooperation and solidarity remain the bedrock for responding to shared challenges.
In the fractured global landscape, no single nation can weather these storms alone. Our strength and resilience lie in our community. Acting together, it is our shield against external pressures and our engine for regional stability.
Under the theme Navigating the Future Together, ASEAN Foreign Ministers focused on reviewing the progress of the ASEAN Community Vision 2045 while enhancing cooperation with dialogue partners through mechanisms such as ASEAN +1, ASEAN +3, and the ASEAN Regional Forum discussions centered on several prominent issues, including the situation in Myanmar, the EC, regional security, and the impact of the Middle East conflict on global supply chains, energy, and trade. Another highlight of the conference is the celebration of the 50th anniversary of the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation in Southeast Asia. To date, the treaty has 58 signatories, with 4 new members expected to accede during the meeting.
Amid growing strategic competition among major powers, the meetings in Manila are expected to help ASEAN maintain a collective voice, reinforce its central role, and promote a peaceful, stable, and rules-based cooperative region. Hữu Hưng from Manila, Philippines, reporting for Vietnam Today.